Hello and welcome to this new section. So in this video I'm going to discuss about what is static and dynamic array. Okay, till now we have seen what is how to assign and declare array. Now let's see what is static and dynamic array. So this is a two-way of implementing. Statically you can define in this way. So we can say that it's a static declaration. Okay, and it is dynamic declaration. Okay, it's a static declaration, this, and it's a dynamic declaration. So what do you mean by this static declaration and dynamic declaration? Let's understand this concept. So this is, let us suppose this is a main memory. We know that main memory is divided into three sections. First one is code section and stack section and a heap section. What it is? Heap, stack and code section. Okay, so these are the three parts which main memory is divided. Okay, so what happens when this program is loaded? Okay, so in the code section, let us suppose it is of file name is ABC. Okay, file name is ABC. So this ABC file comes into from a hard disk. I'm not making this hard disk, just understand this concept. So the machine code of this ABC is loaded into this code section, machine code. Okay, the compiler will develop from high level to machine code. So this code is a high level language and this code is into machine code is transferred in this code section. So what it does for this array, what it does, it will create a stack frame. We have discussed about this, a stack frame. So what it does, it just create a size of block, two size block. Okay, for this it will create, I should make it in this way, wait. It should not be block, it should be a size of so it should do this and this. Okay, so this is your A, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is your array A. This is your array A, capital A. Okay, and this is your pointer P, this. So the elements are stored in this stack frame, but for this P, the stack the memory is assigned in this heap. Okay, the memory is assigned in this heap, size of 5. Okay, so this is size of 5. So now this pointer will points to this. Okay, it is pointing to this memory allocation, and what it stores the address of this heap memory. Let us suppose its address is 500, so it will store 500. Okay, so it will store 500 where it is pointing to this address location and save the elements. Okay, so this is a difference between static and dynamic declaration of an array. Okay, so now let's see the code section. In the next video we'll see the code section. This is a theoretical concept. which it governs. We'll see in the theoretical section how it works. It is in the similar way. Okay, and we'll see another video what is the significance of using this dynamic array. Okay, so this is it for this section. We'll see you in the next. Happy data structures.